Got a Pepto predicament, Ace. You overdid it on the loaded fries. Undo it with Pepto Fast Melt.
When you have nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea.
When you overdo it, undo it with Pepto Bismol.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Stormyland Emergency Management Agency and the Southern Stormyland Water Authority. A civil emergency message is in effect for Pine Valley County, Redstone County, Ashford County until 1000 Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:24 Eastern Daylight Time, local utility officials reported a catastrophic failure of a 48-inch primary water transmission main. This rupture has resulted in severe localized flooding and a total loss of water pressure for residents in the affected area. Hazard: critical water main rupture and system decompression. Source: Public Works Guild reports. Impact: large sinkholes have been reported near major intersections. Total loss of water pressure poses a significant fire safety risk. The potable water supply may be contaminated due to backflow and sediment entry. Locations impacted include Valdez Schoolhouse and surrounding communities, Pine Valley, Redstone, Ashford. A mandatory boil water advisory is in effect until further notice. Bring all water to a rolling boil for at least 3 minutes before consuming, brushing teeth, or preparing food. Stay away from areas of active flooding or buckling pavement as sinkholes may develop without warning. Do not attempt to drive through water covering the roadway. Facilities within Valdez Schoolhouse and surrounding communities should cease all use of tap water immediately. Emergency water tenders are being dispatched to strategic locations to assist with fire protection. Stay tuned to local civil authorities for further updates as repairs commence.